Today, we will talk about how to make a living wall. Let's have a look at the details. A living wall is an arrangement of plants situated on a vertical facade, like a wall inside or outside your home. These plants naturally purify the air and can help reduce your heating and air conditioning bill while fighting carbon emissions. Living walls can be complete, self-sustaining ecosystems, but most often these take on simpler configurations, where hardy plants are grouped together in a wall-hanging garden to make urban environments greener. By using a few handy tricks and techniques, your home could soon have a living wall of its own. The first step is choosing a space for your living wall. Evaluate placement options for outdoor and indoor living walls. You may already have an idea of where you want your living wall to be, but you should take into account other considerations, like the weight of your living wall, the amount of sunlight your wall gets throughout the day and year, and removal or disposal concerns. Decide on a pre-made kit or the DIY route. There are many companies that provide prefabricated wall-hanging frames in which you can plant your living wall. Some models are even freestanding, creating a kind of living wall partition in your home, which might be suitable if you do not have load-bearing studs to fasten your living wall to. Measure and mark the space you wish your living wall to occupy. Use a pencil and a tape measure to mark the dimensions on the wall you intend your vertical garden to be and note these down. The second step is building a living wall from a wooden pallet. Gather your materials. You'll need some tools and supplies to construct your living wall on your own. In theory, most box-shaped frames can be converted into a living wall. However, for the purposes of providing a guided example, a living wall built from a wooden pallet is used. To create your pallet wall, you'll need a wooden pallet, landscape material, plastic sheeting, pair of scissors, staple gun, and staples. Layer the inside of your pallet with heavy plastic. Line the inside of your pallet with landscape material. This often black textile will hold water and provide a moist environment for your plants to grow in. This will prevent the water from puddling in the crevices of the plastic, making it more available to your plants. Seal off the back of your pallet. Now that the shelves of your living wall have been sealed and lined with plastic and plant-friendly fabric, you'll need to close the back of the pallet, which would normally be its bottom if sitting on the ground. And the third step is finishing your pallet frame living wall. Test your design. If you've decided to build your own living wall, you may want to give it a test run before hanging it. Small mistakes in its lining can lead to dirt and water spreading to the load-bearing wall your living wall is attached to. Prevent this by putting dirt in your wall before hanging and watering it. If leakage occurs, you may have to reline your living wall with plastic. Install your living wall. Depending on the size and weight of your pallet, you may need a helper to efficiently and safely install your living wall. Add soil to your living wall. You should lay down a tarp or an old sheet to collect any dirt that falls on the floor. Insert plants, or try to grow some from seeds. What you grow is up to you. Improve circulation to receive the benefits of purer air. Without proper circulation, your plants will have difficulty purifying the air throughout your house. Add lighting to improve growing conditions for your wall. Water and fertilize your plants. How frequently you water and fertilize your plants will depend entirely on the kind of plants you have chosen to populate your living wall with. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.